In this video, I want to talk about how you can call Stripe support. Now, first, what I suggest you do is you try to talk with the AI assistant, and if that doesn't work, you can get passed to an agent. So head up here to the help button. This will open up the AI assistant. See if it can answer your question, and if it cannot, what you want to do is just tell it, please give me an agent, and it's gonna connect you with a human. Now, if this doesn't work, you can go to the support center right here. Now, since I'm on a sandbox account and I haven't switched to a live one, I cannot really do this, but you can head over to the support team, and inside of here, you will be able to see the information and you will be able to contact them easily from in here. So these are the two ways. Like I said, I suggest you try with the AI first. And if that doesn't work, try and connect to an agent from in here. But if this still doesn't work, go here and open up the support one and talk with them from in here. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.